Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find someone on Viber with phone number, and now let's dive right in. Now to find someone on Viber with your phone number, you can do that by two ways guys. Either open your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app guys, go to the call section which is at the bottom of the screen. You can see just beside the chats. Tap on calls and you land over here, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see person with the plus button available for us at the top right corner. Tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen, and over here guys, enter your phone number over here of the person whom you want to save, and after that tap on continue and save that contact to your Viber. And if they have registered for a Viber account on their end, then that person will be available on the contact list of your Viber. And with that being done guys, this is the first way, whereas on the second way you can just save that phone number to your phone over here. Open your dial pad and save your phone number over here of the person whom you want to find on Viber. And after saving the phone number over here by creating a new contact on Viber, go to the details and save this contact to your phone. If they have registered for a Viber account on their end, they will be available on the contact section of your Viber over here like this. And with that being done guys, this is how you will be able to find someone on Viber with phone number. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.